Hey, what is up everyone? Mr. Smith is back with another video. And yes guys, the time has finally came. I am finally so close to level 10 in jailbreak. It's just been so long since I've last posted a video of me getting a level 10 car. The last time I actually got a level 10 car was like in season 16. Something like that. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and join one of these public servers, arrest some people, because I've already completed all of my contracts, and then let's hope that I get the level 10 car. Quickly check if it's recording. Yep, it's recording, that's fine. So yeah, let's become a police officer and arrest some criminals who are trying to escape the prison right now. Okay, anyways. Who's trying to escape today? Is anyone even trying to escape today? I can hear some shit. Yeah, no, mister. You're also getting arrested. Oh my god. Yo, we just did it. Oh my god. I actually just got it. The level 10 vehicle. Right there. It's mine. Oh my days. That's just amazing. Literally. Hey, what does this guy think he's doing? Quickly. Uh, 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 uh. What is this man doing? There we go. Oh my goodness, I cannot actually believe that we actually managed to get the level 10 vehicle. I'm gonna do so much with it. What I actually want to do, let's turn this volume down a bit. Oh wait, it's already, let's turn this down a bit. I don't even know if you guys can hear me properly. Yeah, I finally got the level 10 vehicle after so long of grinding. It is finally ours. Ah, my days. I really hope that this season was worth grinding for. Anyways, I think it's time to actually redeem this car. Oh my days, I need to escape. Okay. I think it's time to actually redeem this car. Take it for a little drive. Alright, let's redeem it in 3, 2, 1. Oh my days. I have access to a nuke now. Look how good that just looks. All of my seasons completed. All of the levels. Oh my god. Do you hear that? Let's test the speed without any configuration. I mean, it's not really that fast of a vehicle, but it looks really cool. Which I like. Yeah, it's a pretty slow vehicle, but it looks very cool. Like, look at this. Hello. Help. All of this just looks so cool. Now let's see with the upgrade when it's upgraded. Now when it's upgraded it goes a little faster. Oh my god. Yeah, I mean, I don't know how fast this thing goes. I'd say like around 170. Yeah, it's not a fast vehicle as you guys can see. But something that I definitely want to do right now is nuke the whole entire server. Like I do every single time I get a level 10 car. Well, actually, I'm gonna join a different server because I want to do it when there's daylight. I don't want to do it when it's nighttime. Anyways, let me just do this. Okay, let's just join this server. Let's see. And let's hope there's gonna be daytime there. Because I want to do it when it's gonna be daytime. Oh my god, my position in line is full. I am not waiting for that long. Let's just join like a random server. This one. 26 people. That's alright. Let's see. Okay, yeah, it's daytime. Alright, let's become police. Real quick. I cannot actually believe that I got it. It is so nice to see this in my inventory. Literally, just look at this, the striker. Oh my god, what is that kid? He is hacking. Do you see that flyover he just did? Oh yes. I need to tase him. Then I need to arrest him. There we go. I don't know if that flyover was a hack or something. I don't know, anyways, it's so nice to see the striker in my inventory. Look at this. Does it have the same thing that the... Yes, it does, see? It does actually have the striker texture like it was with the... What was it called again? The... Shogun, yeah. That's kind of cool, I would say. Now, let's go bombard the whole entire server. Oh wait, it's gonna be getting dark now. This server, because it's 8:30 p.m. So I'm gonna leave this server and try to join another server in which it is early. Oh my days, why is it so late in all of these servers? Let's join this one. I just want to join a server in which it's not gonna be dark. It's kind of boring when the nuke is out and it's dark. What's the time here? Okay, 3:15. That's not that bad. Now let's go ahead and go spawn the proto real quick. Oh my days, so laggy. What? Okay, I had no idea what was going on with my car for a second, and now I finally know what the hell was going on there. I think I just pit maneuvered that guy without even knowing that I pit maneuvered him. Anyways, let's get into the drone and bombard this whole entire server. Now my drone's black, which I don't like. I want it to have a nice texture. Anyways, let's go ahead and nuke this server. Who's ready for a nuke? Who's ready for a nuke? Launch. Oh my days, look at that. That is going so fast. I don't even know where that is now. Oh, it's there, it's there, it's there. It's dropping, it's dropping, it's dropping, it's dropping, it's dropping. Oh my days, look at that. Oh, oh my god, I got a radiant pink. That's sick. Oh my days, that was big. Radiant pink, I have never seen that type of color before. Oh my days, look at that. Look at that. Oh, I gotta take a screenshot of that. Oh wait, I can't go in free cam whilst in a public server. Still. Look at never mind, I'm not gonna take a screenshot, but it's gonna be on video. That looks so cool. I want to check out the radiant pink color. So, let's say no textures. Body color, radiant pink. Oh my god, that's sick. Yo, that looks so sick. I thought that was gonna be still like radiant purple, something like that. It's not. It's radiant pink, new color. It might. I think that the radiant pink is gonna be pretty rare because like not a lot of people want to grind this season, and I think that this car will also be a bit rare. I was gonna get the level. It was level 10 car last season, but I didn't, unfortunately. But I did this season, which I'm very proud of. Okay, so we are now here in the trading island. Now, what will people give me for the striker? Striker, original, Bruley. Damn. Noob freak tires. Are you serious? I am not taking that at all. Trading striker. I really want to see what people will give me for this. For the striker. That is apparently very good. I don't know. Yeah. Um. Oh look, that guy's got the beam hybrid. Oh, you can go in free cam in the trading plaza. Look at that rare item. Okay, this guy wants to trade me. What are you gonna give me for the striker? Hyper red for any 1 million car, but don't have Hawk. Oh, this guy's already got the striker. I'm good. Thank you. But I am good. Look at that. Ah, the blue pixel. I wish I could have the blue pixel. It looks very cool. So many people in the hammer car. Striker. What's he gonna give for the striker? 2 hammerheads. Oh no. Striker. What are you gonna give for the striker? This guy has practically nothing. Hyper green level 2. That is way easier to get than a striker. I'm not actually going to be changing the striker, just so you guys know, but I just wanted to see what people will give it with me for it. Look, that's the car that I got in season 16. It's not called really the Mercedes. It's like, I don't know what it's called again. Let me check. It's called the Poseidon. Yeah, I have this car. It's not that rare of a car. And it's alright, but like, I don't really drive it too often. I got it in season 16. I thought it was gonna be a really rare car, but apparently it's not. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go into the thing to test this car's top speed. If it really has a good top speed or not. Oh my god. Okay, where is this drag strip? Okay, I'm here. Now I'm just gonna try the new striker out, see how fast it goes. Okay, 110, 120, 130. Ooh, the speed ain't really the best in this car. I would say this car's limit is like 170-ish. 180, I don't know. It's not that fast of a car. As you guys can see. And I also have another sad message for all of you who like to play jailbreak, and also this is a pretty sad message for me before I end this video. This is the thing that I was most surprised by today, and this is a letter from Jailbreak's Twitter. If you guys go ahead and go on Twitter, you go to Jailbreak on their recent posts, you'll see this picture right here. Jailbreak is turning 7. What began as an idea by 2 online friends became a phenomenon that we still can't believe. Having a game loved by so many for so long is a developer's dream. After many years, hundreds of updates, we feel ready to turn the page and call an end to the monthly update cycle. The game has so much content these days, we want to avoid bloating Jailbreak with niche features that only benefit a handful of people, and we are itching to develop and learn from crazy new moonshot game ideas, whether they succeed or fail. We want to dedicate everything we have to these new projects. We love making games. But first, a live event is happening. Join us late April to celebrate the game. Players, streamers, creators, and the history we've made with you. Teasers will be here in the coming weeks, and we look forward to the celebration. Stay tuned for more info. This isn't a goodbye. We still love Jailbreak. We plan to support our creators and keep seasons going with new cosmetics with for those interested. We also push important bug fixes long term. We'd love to surprise you with new features when they are ready. Thank you all to all who played this phenomenon. Bedimo. So yes guys, you heard that correctly. This game is gonna stop really getting updates, which I think is pretty sad. Because this was one of my favorite childhood games. I played this game since like 2017. I always loved this game as a child. And this is just really sad to hear that they're gonna stop giving updates to this game anymore. And yeah, I really do hope that there's still gonna be some people playing this. I might, if this game probably gonna be getting updates like every 3, 5 or 6 months, but there's not gonna be any more monthly updates, which players are really sad about, and I am also quite sad about, because I always loved playing this game. I always loved watching YouTubers playing this game, but now there's just really nothing left out of this game. But yeah, but first of all, there's going to be a live event happening, which I'm definitely going to be recording. But after that, I might have to move on to recording a different game. It was really fun playing this game. All of the memories throughout the years. You know how it is. Now, unfortunately, I might record still when there's going to be some updates, but other than that, I don't really think I'm going to record too much about this game because There's nothing really gonna be left. When this, I'm probably gonna be recording when there's gonna be like new seasons and stuff like that. But other than that, I don't really think I'm gonna be playing this game too often. And that's kind of sad because there's nothing really to see about this game because everyone has already seen everything that's in this game. So there's nothing really to record about much about this game. Without any updates, there's nothing really to do in this game. Yeah, that's the season 19 car which I wanted to get, but unfortunately I didn't, which I'm very sad about. But anyways, yeah guys, thank you so much for watching today's video, and I really hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.